Guys, the next move for Jasmy Coin is happening right now. We're going to talk about the price of Jasmy up 20% here to start the day. We've got some of our favorite cryptos, some of our recent purchases doing very well. Jasmy, one of those, we bought back at the 13 level. We are holding steady here, back in the top 100, by the way. And of course, we have a lot to look forward to with Jasmy outside of price action, right? With all of the news and basically our roadmap, uh, things that are happening in the Jasmy ecosystem as it relates to big companies. So a lot to look forward to on that front. But from a price standpoint, the next move is starting to happen. We're going to dive into that on the technical side of things. And by the way, if you guys are interested in trading with me over at Margex, check out the links down below. It's a 20% deposit bonus when you use my link. This is a great offer for Margex. Sign up today. Check it out. No KYC for you as well. It is a leverage trading platform for those of you guys who are a little bit more risk adverse. We recently got Caspa listed to the platform, designed by traders for traders. Start trading with as little as $10 today. But again, $20 sign up bonus for you to cover all those fees that we hate to see. And you could start trading some of your favorite cryptos over there at Margex. So Jasmy on the charts, guys. Amazing breakout here on the 1 hour. Look at this. In the last 1 day, 19 hours, up 18%. And guess what called it? That's our trading indicator. XT Algo was all over it. And I actually have an alert set up for Jasmy on the 1 hour, and I knew this was about to happen. So I ended up adding a little bit to my position here. Actually, on the momentum down candle, I picked some more up right around 15, 16 level because I saw the momentum down hitting us 3 days ago back on Monday. And then, of course, now the reversal that just happened here starting Tuesday. And we are up and at it now. Jasmy Coin crushing it here this morning. The technicals over here, moving averages look really good right now. Really good. You can see where we are on our 10-day and 20-day showing buy signals. Same thing on our 30 and 50-day simple moving averages, and exponential moving average or EMAs. Pretty much buys across the board, both in short-term and long-term time frames. So that is a big deal. But Jasmy, of course, has been doing really well. Let's go out to the 1 day here, because we had a little bit of a dip. This is where we bought the dip a little bit right in here. Our trading indicator was all over it. But still, on the macro here, if we look at the 1 day, this has been one amazing trading opportunity since our trading indicator flashed here on Momentum Up February 13th, up 250% basically in the last 37 days. Amazing price action here for Jasmy. And if we go over to Twitter, the Jasmy team recently addressed several aspects of tokenizing real-world assets. So they talked about stable coins, particularly those originating from Japan, which are secure and adhere to strict regulations. Of course, we know Jasmy's background and what they are trying to do, of course, based out of Japan. They also highlight that many businesses, including their own, are actively preparing for these regulations that could come. Secondly, they discuss tokenization of assets in 3 main areas: energy, data, and human skills, technology, and time. So they are ready to get into the tokenization of real-world assets, which, by the way, is only going to be getting bigger and bigger and bigger. BlackRock recently announcing yesterday some major news. I don't know if you guys saw this, but I did like this video from Scott Melker yesterday, and it should be right here. BlackRock launching tokenized asset fund on Ethereum, seeds it with $100 million. On the same day, the SEC is going after Ethereum, by the way. Unbelievable. Going after Ethereum and trying to call them a security. So it's, again, BlackRock versus the SEC. It's, again, market manipulation. It doesn't worry me in the slightest. We know what's coming. We know what's already here. And Jasmy, I think, is right at the forefront of this. They're right in the middle of all of this. And if we go over to Jasmy here, keep in mind, Jasmy's already a top crypto. It's listed on all the top places to trade. It's Tokyo-based, Internet of Things provider, Jasmy Corporation. The IoT includes mechanical digital elements endowed with an identifier and ability to transmit data. This is about big data, and that's why they reference this in the area of the tokenization of real-world assets. The Jasmy platform was built to restore and protect the sovereignty of individual data by combining IoT tech with blockchain tech and giving users full control over their personal information. The main goal of the project is to establish a secure environment on the platform where users can exchange data in a trustless manner between IoT devices and decentralized protocols. Very, very interesting, and addressing a lot of big challenges in this digital age in terms of decentralized data. Jasmy is an ERC20 token, by the way. It's deployed on the Ethereum blockchain, and it's pumping. So it is not worried about the FUD that came out with the Ethereum and the SEC news yesterday, which I thought was just absolutely asinine, by the way the SEC has gone about this. But it's not really making an impact anymore. That's the thing. People are looking beyond this news because they saw how the Bitcoin ETF played out. They saw what happened with XRP. They saw what happened with XRP back in July, right? And yeah, so that's what we've got for you guys in the video. I appreciate you guys for checking it out. Jasmy looking really good. We're still waiting on some big news, obviously outside of price action, but from a technical perspective, guys, we're looking great. And again, if you want to trade with us, check out the Margex link down below. Get those 20% off your fees. Get signed up today. Start with my referral link down there. And if you guys are interested in using my trading indicator, we got that down there for you as well. XT Algo, we've got a huge discount on that right now too. So check out all the links down below. Appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.